Hey, welcome to the show. Check these out. These are party bags, science party bags. These would be great for school or at birthday parties. They're made of a high quality material. On the top right here, this is a really thick cord. It's not string, it's thick. And it's really a solid connection right here. The paper is a very heavy type of paper. And the measurement on this is 6 inches right here by about 8 1/4. So there's plenty of room to put all your goodies. I'll show you what it looks like when it's folded out, just like that. So you can put a lot of goodies inside of here. Let's take a close look to see which each one of them looks like. You're going to get 8 different kinds and then 2 of each kind. So this one says Science Matters. Here we have DNA on the back there. This one says, never trust an atom. They make up everything. Here we have our elements. This one here says, I have the solution. Here's science is awesome. This one is nerds have more fun. And then our last one is, I love science. Well, it doesn't actually say love, but it says I science. Like I said, you're going to get 16 in total, 8 different kinds, high quality product, fun gift bags for school or birthday parties. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I sure appreciate it if you hit that likey button, even subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Adios.